WhatsApp has launched a highly anticipated feature, multi-device support. Users can now connect up to 4 phones, irrespective of whether they use an iPhone or an Android device, to a single WhatsApp account with this latest update. This companion device linking feature brings convenience to messaging, allowing smooth switching between phones without the need to log out, ensuring that users can pick up the conversations where they left off. For small businesses, this means that additional employees can now directly respond to customers using the same WhatsApp business account on their phones. WhatsApp also has plans to make companion device linking more accessible by introducing an alternative method. Shortly, users will have the option to enter their phone number on WhatsApp web and receive a one-time code, getting rid of scanning a QR code. Here are the steps to link WhatsApp on multiple devices. On Android, first open WhatsApp on the primary phone. Tap More Options. Now go to Linked Devices. Select Link a Device. Unlock the direct phone using biometric authentication or by entering the phone's PIN. Now point the direct phone to the screen of the device the user wants to link and scan the QR code. On iPhone, open WhatsApp on the phone and go to WhatsApp Settings. Now tap Link a Device. Unlock the iPhone using Touch ID, Face ID, or by entering the phone's PIN. Point the iPhone at the screen of the device the user wants to link and scan the QR code.